All right, so 50-year mortgage. Let's talk about it. All right, so number one, it's not official yet. It's still in the works and maybe it'll get approved or maybe it won't. But as of right now, there is no such thing as a 50-year mortgage. Okay, another thing is, let's say it were to drop tomorrow, right? It's available tomorrow. Nobody's forcing you to get a 50-year mortgage. You can still get a 30-year mortgage. That's fine. So if you don't like the 50-year mortgage and you don't want it, you don't have to get it. Another thing is, depending on your age, a 50-year mortgage won't matter. If you're someone in your 50s and your 60s and you're buying your first home, not that it's a bad thing. No, don't discredit that. It's never a bad thing to buy. But if you're around that age and you're buying your first home, a 50-year mortgage or a 30-year mortgage is not going to matter because you're probably not going to live long enough to pay it off. And I think that's the biggest thing to think about. Depending where you are in your life and how old you are, a 30-year mortgage or a 50-year mortgage is not going to make any difference to you. But, however, if you're someone that's 20 years old, in your early 20s, then yeah, definitely go for the 30-year. 50-year mortgage wouldn't make sense for you. But then again, the percentage of people buying homes, especially in California, that are 21, 22 years old is probably less than 1%. And for my final two thoughts is, because I've seen people to post about how much you're going to pay in the end of a 50-year mortgage. Obviously, it's going to be more. You should see how much it is for a 30-year mortgage. But the biggest thing to remember, guys, borrowing money is not free, right? So yes, you're going to pay back interest. And obviously, if you're borrowing for a longer amount of time, it's going to be more. You guys are already doing it with car loans. There's people that have car loans for 7 years when it used to be 3. Most of those cars don't even last 7 years. So why are you taking a loan for a car for 7 years? Oh, that's right, to lower your payment. Same thing with the mortgage. For my honorable mention, guys, nobody really keeps a mortgage for 30 years anyways. You're gonna refinance, you're gonna sell. Think about this. The only people that are keeping a mortgage for 30 years are, one, people that don't know how to take advantage of other programs, or two, they have a 2% interest rate, 2.5. They're not going to get rid of that. My honest advice is talk to your lender, us, right? And figure out if this even makes sense for you and what your plans are for the future.